Not just lawmakers that are now facing scrutiny for their stock trades. The rest of government is getting swept up in this movement, too. A new proposal out from Democratic Representative Katie Porter and Senator Kirsten Gillibrand would ban trading by the president and vice president, Supreme Court justices, and Federal Reserve officials. Now, Gillibrand is one of the original authors of the Stock Act. That's the law that currently governs trading in Congress. And she told me that the scandals during the pandemic made her realize there needs to be a broader approach.
The truth is, the American people don't have faith in government right now, and we want to show that across branches that we are creating transparency and accountability.
Now, new rules for judges are also a priority for House Speaker Nancy Pelosi. According to a watchdog group, 3 Supreme Court justices own individual stocks and have had to recuse themselves from cases because of it. According to their latest data, Chief Justice John Roberts owned Charter Communications and Thermo Fisher, Justice Stephen Breyer held Lowe's and Raytheon, and Justice Samuel Alito had the biggest portfolio, 28 companies, including P&G, Boeing, and AbbVie. Now, unclear if these stocks are held by the justices themselves or their spouses or dependents. The court says the entire judiciary is trying to update its system to identify potential conflicts of interest. But, guys, clearly Congress doesn't feel like they're moving fast enough. Back over to you.
Oh, that's rich. Congress doesn't feel like they're moving fast enough. I mean, obviously, Elon, there's a lot to get cleaned up here. Do you think that this is going to be a situation where something actually gets done, or is this a lot of talk, a lot of kind of fury ahead of things, and then it all gets watered down or nothing happens?
Yeah, it's really hard to say at this point, Becky. This is really something that has been sort of bubbling up from the members themselves. As we saw, that pressure caused Pelosi to sort of soften her position and say that she's willing to consider and look at this. So there is pressure. You've pointed out before, we're in a campaign year. This is a great political issue to show that you're trying to clean up Washington. So it's something that certainly has momentum and has legs. We'll see what the final proposals look like because there are a lot of ideas out there.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.